There's two things I want to address today. Number one is who am I? And number two is what you see when you look up my name. And I'm going to explain this. So, who am I? I'm Proxy Sales. I'm a Telegram vendor and I sell tutorials on how to make money online. And that's pretty much it. You pay for the sauce and you learn how to work. I got 800 vouchers on my Telegram chat. I got my messages forwarded, no names covered. The only people you'll ever see return are my returning customers. You will never see anybody with their names covered or anything, or the names cropped out or anything, so you know they're all real. And now here's something I wanted to get into in this video is when you look up @Proxy Sales on Telegram, you're gonna see something. I'm gonna put two screenshots on the video so y'all can see what pops up. Tell me what you see when you see this picture right here. Do you see proof? Because I don't. Do you see somebody capitalizing off of my name because of the recent boost that I've gained from learning how to market myself? Yes. You see somebody promoting themselves using my name. He is promoting himself. His name is @X6Card. What a name. And we got the other one, Band-Aid Man or whatever the fuck his name. These are two people that I want to warn y'all about in my community. These are people that are trying to get you to buy off of them instead of me and rip you. In fact, I will throw up a screenshot right now of a guy that got scammed for $300. Do not trust these people, okay? They're basically doing what happens to a lot of Telegram vendors. You have an account that pops up that says @such and such is a scammer. And what they do is they capitalize off of that by promoting themselves to make themselves seem legit while making the other person look bad to ruin their reputation just to get some money. Every customer I've ever personally worked with has been nothing but satisfied with any of the things that I've done. And that's just because that's how I do business. I do legit business. I've got what I would consider to be the best prices in the game. So I just wanted to address this. Who am I? And what pops up when you search up my name? Because this has lost me business personally. And that is what really makes me mad, is that a future customer of mine was scammed by some of these people who are promoting themselves. In fact, he literally made 3 chats explaining that he is legit. How do I know it's all him? It's all the same profile picture and it's him adding himself every time. By the way, they have 0 vouchers. This man does not have a single vouch. Now, back on the topic of who am I? I'm a digital... Y'all know what I am. I ain't even gonna try to play with y'all like that. Y'all know the type of content I put up, and YouTube doesn't like it very much, so I did receive something. Not able to upload videos for a while. But I just wanted to clear some things up because this has lost me business. It has lost me customers, and some people are just naive enough to fall for it and believe that the person promoting themselves using another man's name is the one to go to. Everybody knows. If you see Doritos at the store, they're copying the name off Doritos to try to make you buy. So I just wanted to clear that up for y'all, man. And more videos coming soon. And I've been Proxy Sales. I'll see you guys in my Telegram chat. And one more thing, bro. Y'all might be asking, Proxy, why do you care so much? And it's not that I care about the person, because I know my customers are smart. The people that shop with me are smart and know what they're doing. It's the people that might be just new to finding me, that don't know me, that don't know my reputation or my vouchers or anything like that. I don't want y'all to lose money. As a community, I love y'all. I have the best customers in the world. And I just want to make sure that y'all's money is protected and is safe and away from anybody that would take it from you without giving you what you properly paid for. I love y'all. I've been Proxy Sales. See y'all soon.